Welcome, today in front of me Huawei MatePad 10.4 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the notification sound. Just to mute notifications you should swipe to the left side. That's just volume panel, and now the silent mode is activated. Also we can do it by the second way. Just first here in default volume button control switch media to notifications, and now just by press down volume button we can see also that we can mute our device notifications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.